Is your external component, the Common.Logging Log4Net Library DLL, not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Common.Logging Log4Net bridge links. Before the technical guide for Common.Logging Log4Net library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Common.Logging Log4Net library, a bridging library that allows applications using the Common.Logging framework to use the Log4Net logging engine. It is a mandatory dependency for hundreds of enterprise accounting and management tools. If missing, the app will crash, citing an assembly load failure, preventing any diagnostic recording. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The presence of Common.Logging Log4Net Library DLL is required for the Common.Logging/Log4Net bridge engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Common.Logging Log4Net library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. The version of Common.Logging Log4Net Library DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Common.Logging Log4Net library and registry optimization. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Common.Logging Log4Net library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.